Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make my version of the viral feta pasta that's been super popular on TikTok. Begin by preparing your ingredients. Dice 1 onion, chop 4 to 5 leaves of basil, this part's optional, but you can also grate or shred some Parmesan cheese. Next, in a 9x13 pan, add 2 pints of cherry tomatoes. Make a space for your feta in the middle of the cherry tomatoes. Then add a half a block of feta cheese. Add 1/4 cup of your diced onions. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, about 1/8 or 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder, and finally add some olive oil, about 1/4 cup. You're actually supposed to add the olive oil before the seasonings, but I forgot. Then give everything a little mix to make sure everything is coated and place it inside the oven at 400 degrees for 35 minutes. Next, in a large pot of water, add salt. Bring your water to a boil and then cook your pasta of choice. I'm using Blvd pasta. Five minutes before your feta is finished cooking, add a tablespoon of minced garlic. You can do this, or you can add garlic cloves in the beginning and let it cook with the tomatoes and feta, or you can add the minced garlic after your feta and tomatoes have finished cooking completely. I added the garlic 5 minutes beforehand because I wanted my garlic to cook with the other ingredients without it overcooking and burning. Once your tomatoes and feta have finished cooking, add your basil. Then add a half a cup of ricotta cheese and mix everything together until well combined. Once everything is mixed in, add your pasta. Once you've mixed everything in, you are finished. Place your pasta on a plate, add a bit of Parmesan cheese on top, and enjoy. And this is the finished result. This pasta was so good. I got the idea to do half feta, half ricotta from a TikTok video that I'll link down below. Using half feta and half ricotta was great in my opinion because I felt like the feta was too strong when I made the original version. I also added diced onions and more seasonings, which was also different from the original, and it all ended up tasting really good. The recipe was super quick and simple, and I will definitely be making it again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and liked the recipe. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!